Just got my package from Revzilla here. Shout out for the quick shipping. Sure would have been faster, but UPS likes to lag. That's the main thing I wanted to see here. Oh shit. Oh my god. Damn, the chrome on these things is amazing. Love that American flag print in there too. Looks so good. Can't wait to see this on the Dyna. Nice and simple. Got my Thrashin cover here. Go with the chrome. Plug. Yeah. Nicely packaged. Oh boy. Oh man, these are gonna look so freaking good. Oh yeah. Loving it. Thrashin, thank you for putting out some badass shit, man. Alright, you guys. Well, I would have loved to show getting the handlebars off, but it was so dark I could not get to it. Basically, this is where I'm at now. I have the bars on with the risers. They're just kind of loosely in there right now. Still waiting for the polyurethane bushings, which should be coming in on Saturday. Got the front turn signal as long as with the controls as well for the left side and pulled through. The first time I actually got deep hitting something before, but I think I did a little bit of damage in the process, but oh well, as long as it still works, I don't care. Yeah, has the risers on there. It's really good right now. These are the old handlebars that are on here. Look at the freaking difference in those things. They're ridiculous. Like hanging groceries off of these. I don't know. If someone sit on them, perfect ass seat right there. But so far so good. I'll update you guys in a little bit here. waiting for the new riser bushings to come in, hopefully tomorrow. This thing ended up turning out real good. Thank you guys for watching this video. There'll be more on this bike build pretty soon. But yeah, and I've been trying to think of a name for, I think this one's a dude, but you guys can try to come up with a name for me. Drop one down in the comments. But thanks again, guys. Have a good one. This is the Fro.